now setting up the stage for the world's enterprise to really benefit from AI.
You cannot be a great AI company without being a great data company.
The energy in the room was extremely contagious.
This is vast.
Vast.
The upside here is clear.
Not only for today and the use cases they're looking at, but for the foreseeable future, years from now.
Vast.
Vast.
The momentum's huge.
Vast data.
We really are just getting started.